In this video, we will talk about one application of electrolysis, which is the refining or purification of copper. As any other cell, electrolysis cell, any cell should contain anode, cathode, and the electrolyte. In this case, the anode, which is the positive electrode, should be impure copper. And the cathode, which is the negative electrode, should be a piece of a pure copper. The electrolyte that is used in this cell is copper 2 sulfate solution. This picture shows the cell that is used in purification of copper. As you can see, the negative part, the negative electrode, which is the cathode, it is a piece of pure copper. The positive electrode, which is the anode, contains impure copper, and the solution is copper sulfate solution. The way that this process takes place, the solution contains two ions, the Cu2 plus and the SO4 minus. As we all know, the Cu2 plus will be attracted to the negative electrode and will accept two electrons and be reduced on it and deposit. The reaction at the cathode will be Cu2 plus accepting two electrons and giving the Cu that will deposit on the pure copper electrode. At the other electrode, since it's not an inert electrode, it's an active electrode, the copper, it will be involved in the reaction. It will be dissolved in the solution and oxidized by losing two electrons, giving the Cu2 plus ion, which by its turn will go to the other electrode and deposit also on it. Other impurities from the impure copper will fall to the bottom of the cell, and this material is called sludge. This material could contain some precious metals like gold, silver, and platinum that could be purified and used later on. We have here some notes about this electrolysis cell. The concentration of the copper 2 sulfate will stay the same because the copper from the anode will be in the solution as Cu2 plus. The mass of the cathode will be increased because the Cu2 plus ions in the solution are deposits on it. The mass of the anode will decrease because the Cu will be dissolved in the solution and deposit on the other electrodes. Okay, this picture also shows the cell. Here we have impure copper, the anode, the positive electrode. The Cu2 plus will be dissolved in the solution. The other will be as a sludge, will be fall down like Ag, Au, platinum will fall down to the bottom of the cell and will be collected afterwards. Okay. The Cu2 plus ions will be attracted to the negative cathode, which is a piece of a pure copper. A piece of pure copper is used here, so the copper the copper ions that are deposited on it will all give pure copper piece. The copper 2 sulfate solution contains the Cu2 plus ions that will be deposited on the negative electrodes.